Shandong Minghung Wood Machinery Company Limited is one famous manufacturer of plywood machine in China. Our product, mesh veneer dryer, also be called wire dryer, for drying original wood veneer, remove abundant humidity in the end. The wood veneer humidity will be 5% to 10%, so it is suitable for making plywood. Veneer mesh dryer are suitable for thin wood veneer, and its wire can be stainless steel wire or galvanized wire, and can dry in big capacity per day. It can be different length, width, and floors. For example, some our clients choose width 4,500 mm or 4,000 mm, length 20 mm, and 4 floors, and this wire dryer can dry in 40 cubic meters per day. Our mesh dryer use very thick material for frame and doors, so its weight are heavy a lot. Use unique airflow and big fans to increase the production capacity.